Hello and welcome to Be Mathematified by Mathemagician Shubhankar. We have got one doubt from a student of ICSE Maths. The doubt says, if two circles intersect, prove that their common chord, when produced, bisects their common tangent. So let's draw two circles. They never said two equal circles, so do not draw any equal circle. Something like this. Their common chord is this. When produced, bisect their common tangent. Now here comes a catch. Bisects means the length between the point of contact. So if I say this is a point of contact and maybe this is a point of contact, so this is the tangent. But while drawing you should extend and definitely will give one arrow sign, meaning that the tangent can be extended on both sides. I am just explaining the proof, the writing technique, etc. that you can do on your own. So if I extend it, let's give us some names. Let's give the names of the centers, say O and maybe P. This is AB, this is XY, something like this. They intersect at C and D. I need to prove that if it is say E, I need to prove AE equal to EB. That is what I need to prove. I repeat once again, the writings etc. you should do on your own. Now to prove that, there are many ways. One can be that taking a triangle and then prove it. Let's try. Always try different ways that are coming to your mind. It may be possible that you get a question which is unknown to you, but obviously within the syllabus. So develop the way, the ability to solve an unknown problem using all the known concepts, theories, skills that you have. So let's see, let us zoom it out a bit. I need to prove that AE equal to EB. Let's join, say this is C. Let's join them. Now this is a tangent. So if I join, let us take a different ink. If I draw two radii, obviously they are 90 degree because for any circle, radius passing through the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. Whenever you are using a theorem, you must state the theorem. Do not state any number or like this. You can have the names, like for example Pythagoras theorem, which have definite name, midpoint theorem, something like this. Here keep in mind that these two triangles cannot be proven congruent because I do not know this angle. To prove congruent they must be 90 degree and something. So let's try another concept, that is chord or rather secant and tangent theorem. For your convenience, let's draw this. If I have a secant and if I have a tangent, well, my construction is wrong anyway. If this length is A, this length is B, this length is C, then total length is a plus b. So a plus b into b should be c square. So using this, you need to state the theorem that in any triangle, any circle, if a secant and a tangent intersect, then the intercepts of the secant when multiplied will give the same as square of the length of the tangent. Do not just write secant theorem something. State the theorem just in case. Now we can say AE square is DE into CE, sorry, my mistake. But in this circle also, I can say EB square equal to same ED into CE. So from this I can say AE square equal to EB square. Then you need to write that taking positive square root of both sides, because length cannot be negative, we can say AE equal to EB. I hope that is clear.